Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss which language you should learn if you are a beginner in programming. Welcome to World of 0 and 1. Here we will compare Java and C++ by using 5 points. 1. Syntax. I have used both Java and C++. I really like C++ syntax because it is similar to C programming and we have to write many things in Java small code everything done. 2. Memory management. In C++ we have direct control over memory management using pointers. Whereas in Java memory is managed automatically using Java Virtual Machine. 3. Users. C++ is used in very less industries than Java because Java used in app development and we all know what will happen if there will be no app in our phone. Now people will say Java is replaced by Kotlin. But you cannot learn Kotlin language without knowing Java language. Java developers are in very high numbers in the world. 4. Usage and domains. C++ is commonly used in system-level programming, embedded systems, game development, and other performance-critical applications that require close hardware interaction. And Java is often used in enterprise applications, web development, Android app development, and other areas where platform independence, portability, and maintainability are crucial. 5. Which one I will choose? Hey, so little bit my background about coding. I started learning programming using Python. But, ultimately, the best approach is to start with the language that aligns with your goals and interests. If I was new to programming or I was looking for a beginner-friendly language, then I will choose Java. However, if you are interested in low-level programming, performance optimization, and direct memory management, then you can choose C++. Hey, subscribe Code with Sid and like this video. Bye.